Welcome student to my channel Educate Maths and Science. Today I also discuss the different pattern of this called actually the trial process. Okay, the cube, the factorization of this cube. The sum is there. Here is a cube. Suppose a cube minus 19x and this is minus 30. Okay, so previous video I just said if this is both are minus, you take 8 is positive. In this way, first one thing, if both are minus, you take 8 is positive. So write in this way, just a cube minus 19x plus 8. So this is minus 38. Ultimately this. Now this is 19 and this is 32. So here is just a cube, just you arrange. So this is minus 19x minus 30. Is okay? Now this is a cube and this is 8 means 2 cube. Minus 19 is common. So this is x minus 2. Sorry, x plus 2. Because minus and minus, this is plus minus minus. So x plus 2 is coming. Here is also x. What is x? No. X. This is a. Oh. One is. Okay, this is x. X and a एक साथ नहीं होगा. So this is a. Just wrong. This is x cube. X and x. So this is x cube. This is x cube. This is x cube. Okay. Just I repeat. X cube minus 19x minus 30. If both are minus, just an assumption. That is the idea. You take 8 is positive. That means you break in this way. This part you break. This actually called the cube is there, the 3 parts are there. This not the middle term factor. You cannot in this maths you cannot এই ধরনের অঙ্কগুলোকে তুমি মিডল টার্ম ফ্যাক্টর করে করতে পারবে না বিকজ দ্য কিউব ইজ দেয়ার. এখানে কিউব আছে, ইজ ওকে. সো এটাকে ব্রেক করো যখনই দেখবে দুটোই মাইনাস. সো ফর দ্যাট ইউ টেক 8 পজিটিভ. জাস্ট an assumption 8 is positive, so this is minus 30 this. Okay. Now this is x cube plus 8 and this is this. You write. So because 8 means 2, here is also you take 2. Say a cube plus b cube minus 19 this. Okay, no problem. Okay. So now this is x plus 2 a cube plus b 2 a plus b a square minus ab plus b square. 2 square means 4. And this is minus 19x plus 2. Okay, no problem. Now here is x plus 2 is further common. This is x square minus 2x plus 4 minus 19. What is the ultimate answer? X plus 2. This is x square minus 2x and this is minus 15. Minus 50. Okay, in this way. Now you break it. This is minus. The middle term factor is possible here. There is x plus 2 here and this is. If there is a possible, you always continue the middle term factor. You just check it. You just check it in that place because square is there. This is a middle term factor pattern. Just you always check it. If this is a possible here, the middle, that is the maths is complete 90%. That is right. But if the further breakdown is possible, if this is the middle term factor, এটা যদি middle term factor করা যায়, a middle term factor हो जाएगा तो इसको middle term factor करो, no problem at all. So this is the clear ultimate 100% right. So now this is minus plus minus minus, and here is minus. That means the greater is minus. You know this is 15. 15 means 3 5, and 5 minus 3 is 2. So it's possible. So you write x plus 2. If this is possible, x square, this is greater, so minus 5x and this is plus 3x. It's possible. It's possible. Suppose this is minus 5x plus 2x, minus 2x. No problem at all. Clear? And plus minus minus 15 x square. Just you continue x plus 2 and here is x is common. Sorry. This part. So in this part x is common, this is x minus 5, and always you write here is x minus 5. This is plus 3x, you write plus 3, you check it. Plus 3x plus minus minus 3, 5, 15. Plus minus minus 3, 5. Always you check. Now this is x plus 2. Now this is x minus 5 is common. This and this, what is the left? This is left, this is left. So x plus 3. So this is the ultimate answer. This is the ultimate answer. Or cube means 3x. This 3x. Or in this way, x square or 1 is x. This is x square. Cube means this part. Cube means this thing. Or the three terms, three factors, x plus 2, x minus 5, x plus 3. So 3x is there. Or if not a further breakdown, so this is square and this is 1, x is there. So cube means this. Clear? So in this way, you solve the sum. In this way, you solve the sum. Now, the very important thing is this. One sum is I discussed here. These are three terms are there. You just break this into two parts. This and this both are minus, you always take plus. So in this case, you cannot apply the trial process. X is 1, x is 2. It's a complicated. Just you break in this way, the common is there. Okay. Clear? Trial process is possible. If you just x is 1, x is 2, x is 3, here is x is 2. You just, so here is x plus 2 is 0. X plus 2 is equal to 0. This is, that is x is equal to minus 2. So if you put the value of x is equal to minus 2, here is, this called the trial process, x is to minus 19x, minus 30. In this way you also solve it. X is equal to minus 2, so minus 2 square. देखो এটা 0 হয় কিনা, 0 होता है कि नहीं देखो. So this is minus 19, this is minus 2 and this is 30. So this is x cube means minus 8, minus minus plus, minus 19, 30 and this is minus 30. Ultimate this is minus 38 plus 38. It's take. That means you take x is equal to minus 2. Because this prove here. So x is equal to minus 2. That means x plus 2 is a factor. जब ये होगा just x plus 2 से इसको divide कर देगा, answer will come. So this is a one way. This called the trial factor, and this is you just an assumption. Both are minus. You take 8 plus. In general 8. Why? Because the 2 cube. You take all, maybe there is a 3 cube, 27, 1 cube 1. Or in the trial process, you take x is 1, x is 2, x is plus 2, minus 2 in this way. So this part, this actually called the trial factor. Okay? So I just discussed the next sum. This is a very important sum just to understand properly. Okay? Now the next sum. The very important, these actually called the trial factor. The cube formula is applicable here. Clear? This is not the square. Square, that is the middle term factor. So is the cube is there. This is a very important thing. Cube is there. Now this is very important thing. Suppose one sum. This is x cube minus 9x square, cube square both, plus 23x minus 50. It's a very complicated. Now this you just cause the middle, it cannot be taken. The middle term factor is cube is there, this part cube is there, is not the middle term factor. Now one thing, the 4 part is also there. You cannot break it. 2 part, the 5 parts is there, is the common is not there. If there is no common, so in that case, the very important trial factor is applicable. এই সব জায়গায় তোমাকে কিন্তু trial factor mean trial and error process. You take x is 1, you take x is 1, you take x is equal to minus 1, you take x is equal to 2, you take x is equal to minus 2, you take x is equal to 3, you take x is equal to minus 3. এই ভ্যালুগুলো বসে যে কোনো একটা বসে তোমাকে দেখতে হবে কোন ভ্যালুটায় 0 আসছে. You put the value x is 1 the 0 is coming, no problem at all. So automatically, if this not, you take the other, x is equal to minus 1 you take, in which value you put, the ultimate answer is 0. Now suppose you put the value x is equal to 1, put the value and ultimate answer is 0. That means x minus 1 is a factor, because x minus 1 is equal to 0. Where is this? X minus 1 is a factor. Then you divide it, the ultimate answer will come. That is a very important thing. That is actually called the trial factor. It's a very interesting sum. Now, so you just cannot break is in the plus 8 minus 8, this part, the fifth part. This already the fourth part is there. 4 part is there. So you cannot further break its these 2 part. So fifth part is there, the common is not possible. In that special case, this process is applicable. This called the trial factor. So continue this. এই সমস্ত জায়গায় তোমাকে কিন্তু এইভাবেই করতে হবে. This actually called the trial factor. The very important thing is this. Put the value, the calculation may be very careful. So I take this x is equal to 1. First is okay to okay. So x is 1. So x is cube minus. আমি নিজেও যাই না, I don't know if this is possible or not. So we take the other value. No problem at all. 9 1 square. This is 23 into 1. This is minus 50. Okay. So this is 1. This is minus 9. This is plus 23. This is minus 15. So this plus, so plus 24. This is minus, this is not by 2. Oh, that's right. 0 is coming. Okay. In the first chance, I don't know. If this is not possible, you take the next option, x is equal to minus 1. If not, you take the 2. If not, this take the minus 2. In this way, first you calculate the one factor. If one factor is coming, then you divide this. The other will answer will automatically coming. So this is 0. That means x is equal to minus 1, you get ultimate answer is 0. That means x minus 1 is equal to 0. So x minus 1 is a factor of this. Is a factor. The other factor will come when you divide it. Okay? No problem. So just I divide it. So I just divide it. Okay? Now, it's a very interesting sum. So this is just I divide in the other color. So x minus 1. Just I divide. X is cube. Very interesting. Minus 9x square. These actually called the trial factor. Very interesting thing. Okay. Now, you know properly the division process. In the previous video, I already divide the basic algebra, addition, subtraction, multiply and division. Okay. So this is very important. Okay. Now, x cube is your target. So this is x minus 1, x square. Same sign all coming. So this is x cube minus x square. You put the first part is always the same sign because it's a cutoff. And this is x square. So you are right is x square. Okay. So sign change, this is plus minus, this is minus plus. Very important, be careful. This is the opposite sign, sum. And this is get up to minus 8x square. Plus 23x. What is your target? X minus 1. Your target is, this is also minus 8x square. In which way? So minus 8x minus plus minus minus 8x square minus minus plus 8x. Your target is this man. So plus 8x, because ultimately is cut off and 0 plus this is minus cut off. Now this is opposite sign, 8 15 plus 15x. And what is this ultimate? Minus 15. Okay, so target is plus 15x. X minus 1. So this is just plus 15. So plus 15x plus minus minus 15. So this is minus 15. Okay, so this is minus, this is plus. This is cut, this is also cut. Ultimate 0. So what is this? This is minus 8x. And you just write in this way. Minus 8x plus 15. Now, one square part is out. This is a very important thing. Now, what is the ultimate answer here? What is the ultimate answer? one factor is this. The very interesting sum. This called the trial factor. Student, তোমরা কিন্তু এইখানটা খুব ভালোভাবে বোঝে, just to understand properly. This is a very important sum. This called the trial factor. In case of class 10 is a very important thing. Okay, so one factor is this. This one factor is x minus 1 and other factor is coming x square minus 8x plus 50. Okay, now you check it's maybe the middle term factor is occur or not. এইটা মিডল টার্ম ফ্যাক্টর হবে কি হবে না, দিস ইজ দ্য মিডল টার্ম ফ্যাক্টর হোগা কি নেই, ও স্যার ডিটারমাইন করো, জাস্ট ইউ ডিটারমাইন দিস দ্য মিডল টার্ম ফ্যাক্টর ইজ পসিবল আর নট, ফার্স্ট ওয়ান. সো দিস is x minus 1, this is plus 15, here is minus, so only minus into minus, that is coming plus, plus into minus plus, here is plus, so plus plus plus, but here is minus, so you take minus minus plus, minus minus plus, that means x square minus 3x minus 5x plus 15. It's breakdown, same sign, addition, minus 5 minus 3 minus 8x minus minus plus 3 5 15x square. Okay, it's possible, middle term factor is possible. Okay, just continue, no problem. X minus 1, this is common, x is common, x minus 3, you know already that this part also x minus 3. What is this? Minus 5x, you take minus 5, just you check minus 5x minus minus plus 3 5 15. Okay, the answer will come. X minus 1, x minus 3 is common, this x minus 3, x minus, what is left? X and minus 5. So ultimate, this is the answer. Very interesting sum. Okay, very interesting sum. This is the ultimate answer. Clear? Okay, so this is a very interesting sum also. Very interesting sum. First is this x cube minus 9x square, these the four terms are already there, you cannot break it. The ultimate, the fifth and no common is there. It's not possible the middle term factor, it not possess plus 8 minus 8, you break down this. Okay, so here is the application of the trial factor. This actually called the trial factor. Trial factor means, you know, in case of the chemistry, the trial balance, the valency of this trial, just you put the value 1, put the value minus 1, you just put the value. এখানে এক put करके देखो, the value of x put करके देखो, जीरो होता है कि नहीं, এক x এর ভ্যালু এক বসিয়ে দেখো, আলটিমেটলি যে জিরো আসছে কিনা, যদি এটা জিরো না আসে, অন্য একটা x minus 1 you put this, if not possible x plus x is equal to 2 put this. This actually called the trial process. Okay, if 1 is, here is x plus 1, x is equal to 1, put already put, the 0 is coming, that means when x is equal to 1, the ultimate answer is 0, that means x minus 1 equal to 0. So this x minus 1 is the factor. এইখান থেকে একটা ফ্যাক্টর বেরিয়ে গেল, from there the long sum, here from there one factor is coming, x minus 1 is a factor. Okay, that the first part is complete. Now this is just to divide, you know the division, this one factor is coming, the other factor is coming by division, so x minus 1 we divide, the other factor is coming. Okay, এইবার তুমি দেখো এইটা মিডল টার্ম ফ্যাক্টর হয়, in case of the middle term factor always a square is there, the three terms and square, this part is called the middle term factor. Middle term factor কোনগুলো হবে, স্কোয়ার থাকবে আর তিনটে টার্ম থাকবে, এটা ব্রেক হয়ে চারটে টার্ম হবে, in that case the middle term factor possible. And if you just break it, the addition is minus 8x and multiply plus 15x square, এটা করে দেখেছি, okay, so this is the ultimate answer. Okay, clear? So next day I will discuss the different sum of this. Okay, if you understand this, student, so please share the channel, subscribe the channel. Thank you student, thank you for today, thank you.